Waking up with a body that feels stiff and uncooperative is a common experience for many women over 60. The first moments of the day can set the tone for everything that follows. Imagine starting your morning not with groans and aches, but with a sense of gentle release and renewed mobility. This simple routine is designed specifically for you, to reclaim the comfort and freedom in your own body, one morning at a time. It is a quiet promise you make to yourself for a better day ahead. The struggle is real and often unspoken. That deep ache in the lower back, the tight resistance in the hips when you first stand up, or the creaking in your knees as you walk to the kitchen. These are not just minor annoyances, they are daily hurdles that can limit your activities and diminish your confidence. This persistent stiffness can make simple joys, like gardening or playing with grandchildren, feel like daunting tasks. It is a cycle of discomfort that many believe is an inevitable part of aging. But what if you could change that narrative in just 5 minutes each morning? We introduce a beautifully simple stretching sequence that acts as a gentle awakening for your body. This is not about pushing your limits or performing complex yoga poses. It is a mindful practice focused on gentle, controlled movements that respect your body's current abilities. It is a powerful yet accessible tool to combat the daily onset of stiffness and pain. Designed to fit seamlessly into your morning before your first cup of tea. The primary goal of this routine is to gently open your joints. Think of your joints like hinges that need regular oiling to function smoothly. When we sleep, the lubricating synovial fluid in our joints can become thicker. This stretch encourages the fluid to move, nourishing the cartilage and reducing that morning grating sensation. By carefully moving your hips, knees, and spine, you are essentially waking them up, preparing them for the day's movements with greater ease and less discomfort. Enhancing blood flow is another crucial benefit. As we gently stretch, we stimulate circulation throughout the body. This increased blood flow delivers vital oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, tissues, and joints. This process helps to flush out metabolic waste products that can accumulate overnight and contribute to soreness and stiffness. The result is a feeling of warmth and vitality, as your body receives the nourishment it needs to function optimally and heal more efficiently. Pelvic health is fundamental to overall stability and well-being, especially as we mature. This morning stretch includes movements that specifically target the muscles surrounding the pelvis and hips. Gently opening the hips helps to release tension in the pelvic floor and surrounding ligaments. A healthy, flexible pelvic region provides a strong foundation for your spine, improves posture, and contributes significantly to better balance, helping you move with more confidence and security. Safety and gentleness are the cornerstones of this practice. Every movement is designed to be slow, deliberate, and easily modified to suit your individual comfort level. There is no strain, no pain, and no pressure to perform perfectly. This routine is a form of self-care, a conversation with your body. It is perfectly suited for women over 60, including those with arthritis or other chronic conditions, because it emphasizes listening to your body's signals and working within a comfortable range of motion. The beauty of this routine lies in its simplicity. No special equipment is needed. You do not need a yoga mat, resistance bands, or weights. All you require is your own body and a sturdy chair for support and balance. This removes any barriers to getting started. You can do this in your bedroom, living room, or kitchen, wearing your pajamas. Its accessibility ensures that you can make it a consistent part of your daily life. No matter where you are, the chair is simply a tool for safety and stability. Restoring your sense of balance is a life-changing benefit. As the stretches release tightness in your hips, legs, and core, your body's alignment improves. This allows your muscles to support you more effectively. A more flexible lower body translates to a more stable base, enabling you to stand, walk, and move with greater control. This increased stability directly reduces the fear and risk of falling, empowering you to engage more fully and safely in the activities you love. Imagine starting your day with less joint pain. This routine is a proactive approach to pain management. By consistently and gently moving your joints, you help reduce inflammation and release the chronic muscle tension that often exacerbates pain in the hips, back, and knees. The improved circulation also aids in carrying away pain-inducing substances. Over time, this daily 5-minute investment can lead to a significant reduction in chronic discomfort, allowing for a more pleasant and active lifestyle. The cumulative effect of these physical benefits is a noticeable boost in your overall vitality. When your body is not fighting against stiffness and pain, you have more energy available for your day. This morning ritual does more than just prepare your body, it also calms your mind and sets a positive, energetic tone. You will find yourself moving more freely, feeling lighter, and having the stamina to enjoy your passions, hobbies, and time with loved ones from morning until evening. Embrace this simple 5-minute morning stretch as a daily act of kindness to yourself. It is a small commitment with a profound impact on your quality of life. By dedicating this short time each day to opening your joints, easing pain, and improving your balance, you are investing in your long-term health and independence. Start tomorrow morning. Let this gentle practice be the first step toward a more vibrant, energetic, and comfortable day. Every single day, your body will thank you for it.